Hey Mandi maniacs! So today is kind of the first of its kind video. I'm excited. I have some gifts or packages from fans, subscribers. So I'm excited to get those open and show you guys and find out what it is. So the first one is from Parallax. We talked quite a bit in the comments. I think you're a super cool dude. So not really even showing the front of the package, but to be on the safe side, I crossed out addresses so I'm not accidentally dropping their address or my address kind of thing. Yeah. So first we have here this. Let's find out what it is. I'm excited. I don't really know what this is, if I'm being honest. I don't know. Oh, sweet. Okay. So, Parallax, you had mentioned in my videos, my ASMRs, the peas, I'm gonna say this is a pop socket. Okay, now I get how it works. I never got that before. I do now. Okay. So, when I do my ASMR readings, I know you mentioned, and when I re-listen to it, I'll be honest, I don't listen to my own videos or watch my own videos. I probably should, to make sure that what I'm putting out there is good quality and I'm not having any bloopers or issues, because I've been having some audio issues, and thank you for pointing that out actually, because like I said, I don't watch or listen to my own videos beforehand. And when I did listen to my ASMR, yeah, those the P's and S's are kind of very aggressive, because I put my mic right by my mouth, because I have a pretty quiet talking voice, and I try to talk louder, but I just don't have a loud voice and it breaks. But anyway, so in ASMR I'm whispering, and I don't whisper loud either. So I put the mic right here. So when I'm talking that close to it, you guys are getting your eardrums blown out, especially those of you who have headphones in. When I'm saying a word that has a whisper or pop socket, stuff like that, it's very almost like a blown speaker sound. It's not ideal. So I was wondering how pop sockets work, because I thought they were just a piece of plastic, and I'm like, well, then how could you hear? No, it's I don't know the word, a mesh kind of thing. So I get it. So it's kind of catching that, and then just your sounds going through instead of per se your spit, because that's how it's making that sound on the microphone. So I get it, it's catching that, so you're just getting the crystal clear audio. I am super, super excited to try this. Actually, this Sunday is our last one, because I pre-recorded 5 ASMR Sundays in advance. So this is the last one without this guy. I'm hoping he's a big game changer. I'm excited to try him. So this one, guys, it comes out this Sunday. Bear with me. It's one more, the mic right there. I'm hoping in the future this is gonna be really handy and stop that situation. We will find out. So yeah, last Sunday of the rough audio, I'm hoping. Thank you, Parallax. That is so sweet of you. Oh, and there's more. Let me set this guy down. Oh, by the way, you guys are getting a new angle, because I usually film against my Halloween wall, because I always film at night. But this is during the middle of the day, so I'm kind of taking advantage of the light coming in from the window. I really love it. It's pretty sweet. I think it's pretty comparable to the ring light, in my opinion. I'm kind of loving this natural sunlight. So next we have this. This is very cryptic. Okay. Oh, so sweet. You got me these off my wish list. I love it. Okay, that is so exciting. I'll also do a like a makeup review thing on these on my other channel on Mandi Mania. You're so sweet. You got me these for my wish list. I love that. So these, like, what you do is they're like little stamp designs that you put by your eye. And yeah, so that's awesome. Very cool. I love that. Wow, they give you, oh, I see, that's awesome. So they all come in a set. It's sweet. I wasn't sure when I put them on my wish list if you're just getting like a random design or all of them. So that's really, really sweet. All these. I'm excited. I haven't done a makeup review on Mandi Mania, my other channel. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Sorry guys, I thought I was making this video for my main channel, Mandi Mayhem, but it's actually for Mandi Mania. I put my hauls and all of that on hauls, reviews, all that chicken stuff on Mandi Mania, whereas Mandi Mayhem is more just horror, Halloween. I'm a dork. Never mind, on this channel, I haven't done a makeup review in a really long time, so I'm super excited for this. I'm totally gonna review all of these. I am super pumped to try them. They are so cool. So there's like a moon, a star, a flower, a heart. What else? I'm not sure. Oh, and like a little diamond pattern. Okay, that's really cool. I'm super excited to try these. You are so sweet. Thank you so much. You're the best. I love it. And then we have this one from Carrie. So, I don't know. There we go. Okay, and it's fingernails. Very cool. They're like a blood red claw tip. That is super cool. I actually have these same ones, but they are like a brighter red, so that's cool. This is like a darker, like a blood red. Hey, almost right. So that's cool. It goes with my aesthetic. I love it. Thank you. You guys are so sweet. You're the absolute best. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video. I know I did. I love like the surprise treasures. You're like, what am I gonna get? I can't wait. So thank you. And yeah, I'm excited to see how that pop socket works. Really excited. I'm hoping that completely elevates and fixes the harsh noises in the ASMR. I don't know what the technical term is, but you guys, I'm sure who listen to them, you know what I mean. When I re-listen to them, I'm like, oh. So yeah, thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.